Hello everyone, good morning. Today we are discussing important case study questions for upcoming exam, maths exam, CBSE board exam. Okay. These questions have appeared in previous year board question papers. Again, they are very important. Students need to focus on these case study questions because last three questions are based on case study question only. Okay. I'll discuss how to solve these case study questions quickly because you will have usually less time because they appear at the last. Okay, without wasting time we start the class. Okay, the first question appears: while designing the school yearbook, a teacher asked a student that length and width of a particular photo is increased by x units. Here length is increased by x units and width is increased by, and length and width are increased by x units, right? Both are increased by x units. Okay, the length is increased by x units. The original dimension is 18 into 12. The original dimensions is length is 18, you can take, width is 12 centimeter, right? The original dimensions are 18 centimeter length and the width is 12 centimeter. Now, the area of the school photo, initially the area is equal to what here? Area is equal to 18 into 12. This is the original dimensions, right? 18 12s are, 18 10s are 180 plus 36 is 216 centimeter square. The original area is 216 centimeter square. Double the area is equal to what here? 432 centimeter square, right? If I double the area, it will be 216 into 2 is equal to 432 centimeter square. I double the area because when the length is increased by x and breadth is increased by x or width is increased by x, the area is doubled here, right? The area is doubled here. Therefore, the first question is based on what here? We have to write a based on above information, answer the following questions. First question, it is usually format of 1 marks and 2 marks. Okay, there is usually a choice for 2 marks question. Okay, write the algebraic equation depositing above the information. Okay, you have to write algebraic equation here, not quadratic equation, just algebraic equation, right? The algebraic equation, see here, the new length here is x plus 18, right? The new length is x plus 18 centimeter, right? The new length here is x plus 18 centimeter and new width is x plus 12 centimeter, right? The new width is x plus 12 centimeter again. Okay, therefore area can be written as what? Length into width. Therefore the length is x plus 18 and width is x plus 12 and the area will be not 216 but it is double. The area is doubled when the length is increased. Therefore, it is 432 centimeters square. Okay. Therefore, this is your first equation. This is algebraic equation you have to write. Right? Okay. The next question, we have to write corresponding standard coordinate equation. Right? The standard equation is what? Ax square. You have to write a standard coordinate equation here. That is, the standard coordinate equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, right? The standard coordinate equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, I multiply this equation here. X into x is x square, x into 12 is 12x, right? And 18 into x is plus 18x, and 18 into 12 is 216. Is equal to 432, right? Is equal to 432. Now I have to write in standard form x square plus 12x plus 18x is what? 12x plus 18x is 30x, and 216 if I send this 432 this side, it will become minus 432. 216 minus 432 is minus 216 is equal to 0. This is the standard form of the quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx minus plus c is equal to 0, right? Next task, I will push this above. Okay, now third question is, what should be the new dimensions of the enlarged photo? We have to find the dimensions of the enlarged photo, that is, we have to find x here. Therefore the dimensions becomes 18 plus x and 12 plus x. Therefore, we have to solve this quadratic equation. And we have to find the new dimensions, right? We have to solve this quadratic equation. Okay. Let us solve this quadratic equation. Third part. Let us solve this quadratic equation, right? We solve this quadratic equation here. Third question, we solve this quadratic equation here, right? I'll solve this here. X square plus 30x minus 216 is equal to 0. We have to solve this quadratic equation. You can see when I multiply, I should get minus 216. When I add, I should get 30. Let us solve these factors here. 216, right? Minus 216. I'll divide it first with 2 here. 2 1s are 2 108s are, right? 2 1s are 2 108s are. Next, I'll multiply with you can try here. 108 minus 2 is 106. It's not possible. I should get 30 here. When I add, I should get 30. Therefore, I'll multiply with something like bigger number, maybe 18 here. If I multiply 18 6 are 108, 18 6 are 108, right? Therefore, 18 2s are. If I divide here, I should multiply by 18 here, right? 18 2s are 36. Now you can see 36 minus 6 is 30, and 36 into 6 is 216. Therefore, I'll take it should be plus 30x, right? Therefore, I'll take plus 36x minus 6x, right? Plus 36x minus 6x, because 36 minus 6 is 30 plus 30x. Now you should be asking how I arrived at these factors. 2 into 108 is 216. I divide this by 18. I multiply this by 18. Therefore, 36 into 6 is 216. 36 minus 6 is 30. Therefore, I split this factor. X square plus 36x minus 6x minus 216 is equal to 0. Right? I split this 30x as 36x minus 6x. Right? Now, I'll take x common out here. I'll take x common out. Okay, I'll take x common out here. X plus 36. I'll take 6 common out here because it's a factor of 216. 6 into x minus x plus 36 is equal to 0. Minus 6 into x is minus 6x. Minus 6 into 36 is minus 216. Now x minus 6 and x plus 36, right, is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 6 here. X is equal to 6 here and minus 36. Minus 36 is not possible because dimensions cannot be negative. Therefore, the new length is 18 centimeter originally. 18 plus x is equal to 18 plus 6 is equal to 24 centimeter. Okay, the new breadth is 24 plus x is equal to 12 plus x, right? It is 12 plus x. It is 12 plus x. New breadth or width, rather than we can say breadth or width here, it's fine. 12 plus x is equal to 12 plus 6 is equal to 18 centimeter, right? We can verify 24 18s are 432. The area is doubled here, right? And there is an OR option here. Can any rational value of x make the new area equal to 220 centimeters square? Okay. Can any rational value of x? How to find the rational value here? Listen very carefully. This is not a simple question. Okay. Many students are confused here. Even though it is OR option, I'll just solve it too, so it will understand. OR option question. This is not necessary for exam purpose. In the exam, don't attempt it. But just I am solving to understand the concept here. Now, can any rational value of x make the new area equal to 220 centimeters square? Right? Now, the area is x plus 18 into x plus 12. The new area should be 220 centimeters square. Now, I solve this quadratic equation and check whether x can have any rational value, right? First, I multiply this. X into x is x square. X into 12 is 12x plus 18x plus 18 12s are 216 is equal to 20, right? Is equal to 20. Okay. Now, I bring this 220 this side. X square plus 30x minus 4 is equal to 0. minus 4 is equal to 0. Now, to check whether it has any rational values, we find b square minus 4ac here. b square minus 4ac here. Here a is 1, b is 30, and x is, and c is minus 4, right? c is minus 4. b square is 30 square, minus 4 into a is 1, and c is minus 4, right? It is 900 plus 16 is equal to 916. To have a rational value, the 916, the whatever b square minus 4ac should be a perfect square. To have any rational values, the 916 should be a perfect square. But since 916 is not a perfect square, therefore we do not have any rational value of x. There is no, see here, root of perfect square is a 6. It's a rational number. But if I take root of, for example, 8, it is 2 root 3, right? It is 2 root 2. It's not a rational value, right? To have a perfect square, the square root must be, the root must be a perfect square. Therefore, there is no rational value. There is no rational value of x. Since 916 is not a perfect square, is not a perfect square, right? 916 is not a perfect square. Okay, a very easy question. The or option is not necessary here. You can start with, you can solve up to here only, right? Next case study question.